Hey, Ellen Wright from the Wright Family Law Group. Today we're going to unpack a question that is a minefield for parents who are involved in family court. Should I force my teenager to go to therapy? It's not uncommon for a family court judge to order kids to go to counseling who are struggling with mental health issues while a high conflict family court dispute's going on. Trauma from family court and other stressors can manifest in the form of anxiety, defiance, depression, just to name a few. So should you force your teenager to go to therapy if there's a court order in your family court case? The short answer is probably not. If your teen feels forced, it could be counterproductive and things could go from bad to worse. But here are a few tips to get your teen to cooperate without starting World War III. Number 1. Compromise, but don't coerce. There's nothing wrong with some healthy negotiation, so consider striking a deal with your teen. Suggest that they go to therapy on a trial basis until they make a final decision about whether or not to continue on. Number 2, have a discussion with your teen's guidance counselor at school. Talk to your teen's school guidance counselor about what's going on with the family court situation. They may be able to offer some insight and let you know if there are any in-school services or support groups available to your teen. Number 3, talk it through with your teen. When you talk about the prospect of therapy with your teen, use a calm, neutral tone and be honest and supportive. Think through carefully what you're going to say before you have the discussion, but more importantly, listen. You need to give your teen a chance to talk about how they feel before responding. Number 4, do not imply your teen is crazy. Explain to your teen that millions of people go to therapy every day. And just because he or she talks through issues with a therapist doesn't mean that they're weak, crazy, or making poor life choices. Instead, share about why you think therapy is important and how it could be helpful. Number 5, do not blame the judge. If the judge ordered your child to go to therapy, do not blame the court as a means of deflecting an argument with your teen. The more your teen knows about your family court case, the worse the outcome could be for them and for you. Number 6, lead by example. Nothing speaks louder to our teenagers than our own actions. If you attend therapy individually, sharing this with your teen is going to help normalize the process for them. You should only use force as a last resort if your teen is out of control. Examples include legal trouble, health risks, drug abuse, and running away. If your teen is in danger and unwilling to seek help, then you may need to call the police or contact a local hospital. Get more expert guidance that you need on this issue by downloading our complimentary e-guide by clicking the link below. If you've got a family court case and there are child-related issues, maybe they're involving therapy, maybe not, give us a call today to schedule a low-cost strategy session at 978-851-2291 or reach out to us on our website at wrightfamilylawgroup.com. And don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Stay well, guys.